He didn't like that.
After breakfast, we found ourselves downtown Fort Bragg in what Frank called the Dyna Parade.
In the Dyna Parade, the Dyna Parade. Train drives on, your bike's geared low. You could wheelie all day long. You put on a show in the Dyna Parade. The Dyna Parade. It didn't take long after Fort Bragg to realize that everyone in the Bay Area had headed toward the beach during this heat wave and a holiday weekend. Traffic got crowded, and the beaches were packed to the max.
Right, all right, YouTubes. This is Labor Day, Monday, holiday weekend up the coast. The heat domes over the inland part of the state, and everybody is on the coast because it's way cooler. And this is just nuts. I'll get some shots of the beach around the corner. Every little nook and cranny beach on the north coast up here north of San Francisco has people in it. And you can see the traffic is at a standstill. Yeah, this is crazy.
What we set out to be a usual 4.5-hour ride home turned out to be about a 10-hour day on the road due to all the traffic. But we would find some patches like this one where we'd get a break in between towns and have some nice roads to rip through. and enjoy the scenery and the day as long as it would turn out to be.
Oh yeah, nice parking. Nice parking.
Here in Stinson Beach, the traffic came to a standstill and a grind. The sheriff even put out a public announcement that if you hadn't made it here, don't come. Needless to say, to get through town probably took us over an hour and a half, and then coming out of the backside, leaving Stinson Beach here, took forever to get back to Mill Valley and to San Francisco.
There it is, San Francisco. We just got to get down there to Santa Cruz, around that corner and down. We're so close. That's a good ride. Oh, feel the air conditioning? Ooh, man, I needed that, dude.
Even with all the traffic delays and it taking the long time to get home, this was still a great ride with all the views and the scenery, and to see all the people flocking to the beach. This was a great day and a great ride, and it's always a great time driving over the Golden Gate Bridge.
Me and Frank are gonna wrap her up with a sunset ride back to Santa Cruz. The fucking sunset duo.